Okay, so let's create a new account on YouTube. Go to youtube.com and create a new account. Select myself. Give in your first name, last name, just like how you would create a Gmail ID, and sign up with your password. Once this is done, log in and come to the top right corner and click on Settings. You will be taken to this page where you can see Add or Manage Channels. Click on Create a New Channel. Give a brand account name for your channel. This can be changed later on. Click on Create. Click on Customize Channel. Click on Add Channel Art. Upload a big photo, 2560 by 1440 minimum resolution from your computer or your Google storage. Click on the pencil button near to the avatar and upload a logo or a new avatar for you. You can crop the avatar as you like it. Click Done. And the avatar should show on your YouTube channel in no time. Click on Channel Description. Give a proper channel description here. Make sure it's easy to understand and people who visit your channel for the first time understand what is the content. Click on the top right corner and on the gear icon and go into Settings. Click on Channel Status and Features. Here you can see all the different status and features of your channel. Click on Verify button. Choose a country. Opt in, text me the verification code and give in your phone number. YouTube will send you the verification code and your channel will be verified. Come back and click on the About section. This is where you can see the description. Now click on Customize Channel again. And click on Business Email. This is where you give your email ID so that people can contact you for brand endorsements or any other sort of business inquiries. You can also add your location, which is your country. You can also add in links to your social media profiles or website. You can add up to 5 links here, which will show up on the top channel art. So I just added my website here. I can also add my social media profiles. Let's say, for example, Instagram or Facebook. Once you're done adding, click on the Done button. As you can see, the social media profiles that you added will be shown up here on the channel art on the header. Now once that is done, click on the gear settings icon once again and click on Advanced Settings link. You can add channel keywords here, which are the keywords people might use to find your channel. So if your channel is about book reading, add keywords that you think are relevant about book reading. Make sure you don't go overboard with these and add only sensible keywords. Let's say 5 to 10 of them, separated by comma. Once done, click on the Save button. Now click on Return to YouTube Studio and you can see the backend of your YouTube Studio, which is where you can see all the videos, all the playlists, comments and such. And you're done. All the best with your YouTube channel. See you in another video.